Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, let's check out this little yellow Trojan. I got this from Temu and it's a 4-channel 6G 3D. It's made by XK Industries, I believe that's what they call XK is the name on the remote there. Alright, wish me luck. Let's give it a shot. Made in flight, fresh out of the box. Thanks for watching. Hey, look at it go. It's windy today. See it pushing it around. Oh, I can control it still. Pretty impressive for a tiny little plane. It's easy to see too. Oh, look at it fight that wind. I better get it down. Out here to try to get some low and slow flybys, maybe. This little bird. I think I was just gliding there. I didn't even hear the prop. That wind is really messing with me. Riding the wind. Yeehaw! Use that rudder a little bit to help you steer in this wind. Watch this. Yeah, look at that. Wow, that's much better. Use the ailerons and the rudders together. Very cool. Oh yeah, it turns really sharp then. Cool. We got a string or something. That's different. Let me bring it in and see what I got on there. Floating spider webs or something kind of. Oh yeah. Thing is quiet. Looks crazy fighting that wind, but it's doing it. That's the 3D mode. Neat little knife edge there, that's cool. Back in 6G. Alright, let's get her lined up for landing. Cool little plane. Be a lot better when there's not as much wind is what I'm finding. 15-20 mile an hour winds out here. Something like that. Don't quote me on that because I'm not for certain. Just a guess. And it's gusty, so sometimes we have a nice calm spell, then it's gusts. Alright. I'm gonna line it up for a landing now. For real this time. Rough as can be, but it's okay. These things will hold up just fine. Landings like that. Lost the prop, but that's how it's designed to break away on a crash landing, and you just pop it back on, just like so, and you're back in business. Yeah, it had spider webs on there. That's what that was. I could see a streamer. I wonder if that was messing with its flight characteristics at all. You never know. It's kind of cool looking though. I'm gonna throw it up just one more time and try it without the spider webs. Almost put it in that tree, didn't I? Look at that thing just climb up there. No problem. Hands free, it's doing that. Now I'm turning. Does seem a little bit smoother. Spider webs are pretty strong. It may have been keeping them control surfaces from moving properly. Alright, let's attempt the landing again. Just as good as the last one. Oh well. That's the little yellow Trojan I bought from Temu. I'll share all the information on the video. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.